America. You know, I'm just sitting here making a fire outside, right? I'm just thinking to myself, how big a fireball would this create? I'm not sure if this is a good idea. Clowns, y'all.
Smells like burnt hair out here. Wonder why? Yeah, we're the sound effects, man. Something about watching fire, man. That's not what I threw on it before. What I threw on it before was way more, it was a lot smaller, and a lot more explosive. Alright, y'all.
So you thought you might like to go to the show. Feel the warmth and confusion as Space Cadet glow. Alright, y'all. Peace.